Hey, this is Anand Houston, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a little bit about how to use Instagram and some of the best practices that can be taken to have a successful Instagram presence. Now, Instagram is kind of like Pinterest, where you have a collection of pictures. The difference with Instagram is in the way that you search for content. It's all tied together using a series of hashtags, and these hashtags are then tied to different people that have used the same hashtag to create almost like an online album that's created by the collaboration of everyone who used the same hashtag. So for an example, from this picture from Digital Marketer, someone responded with the hashtag gamer. And if you click on hashtag gamer, we'll find that there's 10 million other posts that people have typed in hashtag gamer. And you can see what hashtag gamer looks like to people and what type of information would be shared from there. So the best way to use Instagram is to first follow people who are in your industry. Follow your competitors. Follow influencers, whether they're authors or speakers or people that have a large influence within your industry. And also follow your customers. Find out what type of information are your customers sharing, what type of pictures do they post, what are they interested in, what are they not interested in, and then craft your brand strategy on Instagram around that. You'll be able to discover what types of information people are hashtagging based off of other people because everyone can see the hashtags. Most Instagrams, especially business Instagrams, are going to be public. Now, one of the things that's very important with Instagram is to effectively engage with people. So you can see here, Digital Marketer had some people respond. One of the best opportunities that you have as a business is to be able to respond back to people. Tell them thank you for the response. Encourage people within in your description to share the pictures, and then as you begin building a following, create different competitions, create different polls, find new ways to get people to engage with your content. Now, one of the big opportunities with Instagram is that it's something that people use almost all the time. Instagram has a massive amount of engagement with their customers. People look at Instagram at all times of the day, both professionally and personally. And if you can find a way to become engaging and interesting, you'll be able to captivate your users' attention. And this provides fantastic credibility to your brand. Instagram is fantastic for SEO because, as you can see, this is just a public desktop website that this is all tied to Google. Google's able to see what's happening here. And so the more people who share your name, the more things that you share, helps increase your ranking online. In addition to that, you'll be able to get your name out there by creating content and building a relationship with influencers that can share your content. So it's a great idea to find out, perhaps you have an ad campaign being set up around bringing more subscribers to World Quest magazine. And so it'd be a good idea to have the graphic designers that you're outsourcing to create a series of pictures that are very engaging, highly professional, and are interesting to those types of users. Share those pictures with influencers within your industry and see if they'd be willing to share it with their customers. Find out if that'd be something that they would be willing to offer as a value add to what they're already doing. And by doing this, it brings more awareness to your brand and provides the influencers with more content to share with their users. Now, just like any other social media, this is about building a relationship with the people online. And so engagement is incredibly important. You see here how it has an @ sign. What that does is it directly connects this post to whoever you're sharing with. This is a great opportunity to connect with the customers who have hired you. Perhaps post a picture thanking them for their business, a picture of the talking about a success story from them. Perhaps they provided you with a testimonial and you add that testimonial to your Instagram in the form of a picture and attach that at your customer name so that they can see it. And then have the proper hashtag so that way it goes into the right albums that other people can find organically. Now, Instagram has a lot of functionality to it, and there are entire books written just about the intricacies of Instagram. One of the main things to keep in mind when building Instagram presence is to know how closely correlated it is to Facebook. Facebook owns Instagram, so that means that when you run a Facebook campaign, you can simultaneously run that same campaign on Instagram using the same demographics and same psychographic targeting tools that you can use with Facebook. This is a great opportunity because your Facebook content strategy and your Instagram content strategy are going to be slightly different. Yet by targeting the same people, and it allows you to be able to hit them on both platforms with the same content, the same call to actions. What this will allow you to do is to more elegantly uh, execute your retargeting campaigns. This will let you be able to track who's clicking on what. And because if they click on your link from Instagram, you get access to all the juicy analytics that Facebook provides. So that's a quick snapshot of Instagram best practice. If you have any questions, reach out to me and look online. There is a bunch of information about Instagram. Bye for now.